Hello, I am Faisal. I'm trying to explain you how to make a simple form. Okay, for the first start, okay, we go to Gmail account. Okay, we go here and we start with Google. Just Google. Okay, and we click here to the application, and then we click here Google Drive. I want to show you how to make a simple form. Okay, after we wait for loading. Okay, and then click here new, and you click more, and you will see Google Form, and double click. Okay, when you see display form, okay, for the first you go to setting. Okay, where the setting, okay, you go and you will see this icon. Okay, this is setting, and click here. Okay, we make a setting for general. I try we go through respondent can see summary chart and type respond, and click here. Okay, for presentation, just show progress bar and confirmation message. Just can write thank you for submit, and save, and click save. Okay, after setting, we go how to make it a colorful form. So we go here, customer term, and click here. Okay, choose image. Okay, you can choose term, illustration, birthday. You can choose from this. Okay, and you can upload from your computer, and for photo from Google Drive. But for the first time, I will show you to use this. Okay, I select this, and you go and click here, insert. Okay, and then term color, I select pink, and background dark. Okay, also you can choose a font style, basic, formal, playful, but I choose basic. Okay, after setting and customize term, you can make a form. Okay, I will show you how to make a simple form for a contact form. Okay, for a entitled form, we can write here, change here, okay, to contact form. Okay, contact form, personal. So form description, I think your name. For example, I use Caroline. Okay, contact form Caroline. So the first, okay, have to, and just click here, so you can see automatic change. And the first, we make question. Okay, name, and we change automatic change short answer, first short answer, and we can add question. And we can add, and then this is for import question from another, for example, word or writer, and then this is add title. Okay, this is add image. You can add image. This is add video and add section. But I want to show you only just make a simple form. Okay, after that we can add a question, and click here. Okay, second, I think better telephone number. Okay, telephone number. Okay, name, telephone number, short answer, and a question, another question, uh, address number. So address number, address, address, not address number, sorry. Okay, and use a paragraph, not a short answer. Okay, then last question, just email, okay, email. Okay, for short answer. And there is a finish to make a form. Okay, after that you just click respond. Okay, just click respond, and you will see this is a create spreadsheet. Click here and just write contact form. This is automatic contact form, and create. Okay, you will see all the information we send here. Have a contact form, timestamp, name, telephone number, address, email. Okay, we go back. Okay, how to preview what you just do it. Okay, just go there, you will see the eyes, can click preview. Okay, you see you have a name, telephone number, address, email, and submit. So okay, I will show you how to publish it. So you go here, send, and you click this to get a link. So this is a very long link, so to shorten, you get here and copy. So you go here, new tab, and Control V, enter. Okay, you will see this is a simple question, form, contact form. So we try to fill it. Okay, the first name, for example, I use name Sarah, and telephone number, for example, 03 434 6666, address 17 Taman Baju Jaya, postcode 35500, Widow, Perak, Malaysia. So email, for example, sarah@gmail.com. Com, and submit. Click submit. Okay, you will see a contact form. So respond, thank you for submit. So we receive the see previous response. So what happened after we fill this form? So we got one response, Sarah, telephone number, address, and email. Okay, you can see also in this we'll go to the contact form back. You can see here add sheet. Okay, so you will see timestamp 27/3, okay, clock 20, and name Sarah, telephone number, address, and email. So we go back. This is okay. I hope you will understand how to make a simple form for the first start to make a contact form. Okay, and I hope you will try. And okay, see you again. Thank you.